Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and a phone number linked to your bank or UPI. Open Google Pay and allow permissions so it can read SMS for OTPs and access contacts. Tap the profile or payment methods to add a bank account or card. Follow on-screen prompts to verify with your bank. This creates the link between your number and Google Pay. Once done, make sure your phone number matches the one your bank has on file to avoid verification delays. Now you link your phone number as the payment identifier. Choose Add Bank Account or Payment Method. Google Pay will detect your number and list eligible banks. Tap the bank, then verify via OTP sent to that exact phone number. Enter the code promptly. If prompted, set or confirm a UPI PIN for secure transfers, or complete card verification if using a debit/credit card. These steps tie your bank credentials to Google Pay, so others can pay you using your phone number. Finish by testing a small transaction. Request money or have someone send to your phone number through Google Pay. Confirm each transfer with your UPI PIN or biometric unlock. This prevents unauthorized payments. If a payment fails, troubleshoot. Make sure your registered phone number matches the bank record, your network is stable, and OTPs arrive. If problems persist, reopen Google Pay, rerun bank linking, or contact your bank to confirm number-to-account mapping. That usually resolves the last-mile verification issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.